Choosing a processor without knowing your risk category is like signing a contract without reading the fine print. Many business owners only find out later that they pick the wrong type of account. Here is a simple way to compare your options. Just make a quick table of merchant account types. This gives you a quick snapshot of what each type offers, so you can see the trade-offs. Many processors look the same on the surface, but the account type you choose determines how stable your payments will be. Aggregated accounts like Stripe and PayPal are fast to set up but prone to freezes. Dedicated accounts are more secure but require upfront underwriting. High-risk accounts protect businesses in sensitive industries, while offshore accounts support international operations but can be complex to manage. That's where EasyPay Direct makes a big difference. They review your business, explain which category you fall into, and match you with the right type of account from the start. This avoids costly mistakes and ensures you are set up for stability. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. You will also get access to features like transaction routing, which automatically sends payments through the best account for each transaction. If you're ready to choose the right merchant account without second guessing, EasyPay Direct can guide you step by step. The sign up link is in the description so you can get started today.